Okay, here we are with the Kenmore dryer. Let's see, what model is this? This is the model, what does that say? It says model number 66812-690, and this model has what I call a gang plug motor harness, which means that all the wires are connected to the motor in one single plug rather than separate wires. And it looks like we got no lint built up back in the vents, and so that's good. And so this machine actually has a bad motor. And typically what happens is when you turn it on, it may buzz or it may come on for just a brief time like this one does and then shuts off. And so this one, when I first heard it, you can listen. If you listen, you can almost hear a sound like the motor is having a hard time. It's sort of an extra buzz or hum that the motor gives off. So if you listen carefully to the sound that the motor is going to make, and I'll pull this out so maybe we can hear the sound of the motor a little better. And it'll come on briefly and then just shut off. So that's basically time for a new motor on this machine. And so let's listen to it. You'll hear, listen for the hum, listen for it's sort of a tired sounding motor to me. So listen, and then, oh, we need to turn it on, don't we? But anyway, that's what happens with these when the motor, yeah, so it's completely dead. It's not doing anything. It's apparently blown the thermal fuse on the motor and completely died on us. And actually, no, what I forgot to do was hook up the door switch because I figured I don't have the motor with me now anyway. But basically, when you turn it on, you'll hear sort of a distinctive dragging hum from the motor, and so that means it's time for a new motor. And in this particular one, you could hear the dragging hum, and the thermal fuse would shut it off. So that's your typical dead motor scenario. And that's my little blurb for today. I hope you enjoyed it.